G'day and welcome to the PAMMO Stitch Elements with Jenny Brandis. This video shows a Cathedral window spider element from month 4. As usual, we work the incoming pins first in torsion ground. Cross, twist, put up the pin and cross, twist. Lay the inward pair aside and bring in the next pair. First, down the left side to the foot side where the pair will kiss the foot side. Then quickly kissing the foot side with cloth stitch, pin, cloth stitch. Work the foot side to the second inner pin. Lay them aside as you work the other side. Repeat on the right side. Next, we add the extra leg twists. Starting at the top right, add a total of 2, 2, 3 and 4 twists down each side. The top of the spider is formed in the same cloth stitch as the standard spider. Cross, twist, cross through the 4 right pairs. Lay that pair aside. Cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross, cross, twist, cross. Lay that pair aside. Repeat the cloth stitch for the third left pair. Lay that pair aside. Work the last left pair in cloth stitch through the 4 right pairs. Put up the pin and tension. This is where the spider varies. With the centre left pair, cloth stitch through the 3 pairs to its left. Add 4 leg twists and lay it aside. Cross stitch the next centre left pair through the 2 pairs to its left. Add 3 twists and lay that pair aside. Cross stitch the next centre left pair through the pair to its left. Add 2 twists to both pairs and lay them aside. Work the right side to match the left. Using the foot side joining pairs as the workers, work the outside pins in torsion ground and tension as you work. Thank you for watching, and please click like so that YouTube shows these videos to more people, and subscribe if you would like to see more from me. Click the notification bell if you want to get notifications when I upload new videos.